We investigated trace effects in speech errors. Trace effects are phonetic distortions where the error sound is slightly skewed towards the intended sound. In this example, the K sound in the error word, with a shorter voice onset time, is pulled in the direction of the G sound. Trace effects are predicted by models that have cascading activation. This is a kind of interaction across levels in which multiple candidate representations activated in one process can influence outcomes in a process downstream. Here, the cascade from both K and G produce a trace effect, resulting in a K sound that's not a canonical K, but more of a blend between both K and G. Some researchers question whether trace effects, which have only been documented in the lab, reflect natural speech. Given the theoretical importance of these effects, we ask here if spontaneously produced errors exhibit trace effects. The details of our methods and all the data are available on our OSF page. In a nutshell, we examined voice onset time in both spontaneous and experimental speech errors, and then compared it with VOT in words matched for phonological context. As shown here on the left, we found significant trace effects in spontaneous errors. The gray points show the values for individual sets of matched productions. The lines connect the correct word means with the error word means from the same set of matched words. The red points show the means across all sets. As shown by the drop in the red line, the VOT of voiceless stops is slightly lower in the error words. This is a canonical trace effect, where voiceless sounds are pulled in the direction of voice sounds. The center panel shows the mean trace size and ratio for both spontaneous and experimental errors. This allows us to compare the two types of errors. The error bars indicate 95% confidence intervals. The overlap in these intervals means that we can reject the null hypothesis that there is no difference between the two types. It seems, therefore, that trace effects are not limited to the lab and are in fact attested in natural speech.